How to take pictures from AliExpress. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up AliExpress and then navigate to the product page that you want to download the picture from. Let me choose a random one. Say, for example, this one right here. Once you're here, click and hold on the picture that you want to download, and here you will have two options. You can either click on download image directly or click on open image in new tab, which will give you kind of a better quality. And once you do that, click and hold on the picture and click on download, and as you can see, the image has been downloaded. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download and get product pictures from AliExpress. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.